Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Alright, me there again, my people, with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Manners, big up, you see. Alright, so first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person put or sweep garbage in a body of water. Now, some things I'm seeing that the video viewers and subscribers are just not right. No one should ever put garbage where garbage are not supposed to be. Do not put garbage in the ocean, the sea, nor the river, nor anywhere garbage are not supposed to be. You understand? Anyways, I'm going to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Observe.
My pose is nasty. Look at garbage now, boy. Look.
Look at them, people.
Bringing to you live on Facebook. Featuring fisheries. Watch nastiness.
You see it? Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Now, as simple as that, look, viewers and subscribers, that's contributing to pollution. You see me I say? And that will and can affect me and you and generations to come. See it? So, don't put garbage where garbage are not supposed to be. See it? Put garbage in the bin so that garbage can go to the city dump and so on. You understand? And if possible, recycle certain things. You see it? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person took something from out of a motor vehicle. And what the person had done is considered as stealing. Now, someone caught that person trying to leave with whatsoever the person took from out of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. And the situation escalated to a point where a person attacked the person who was trying to leave with whatsoever the person took from out of the motor vehicle. Viewers and subscribers, I do not know exactly where this video will be recorded, but I think this video can bring some form of awareness. May I put this video out there to bring an awareness, and I wanted to share this video to help bring the awareness. Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, now my people, pay close attention to this video. And if you have any idea as to where you think this video will be recorded, you can also let me know by leaving a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Alright? Anyways, look or watch now. Take notice of this person that you see. Look. See that? Look at that. Totally wrong. See it? That's where the person attacked the person. Just keep looking still. See, notice the person take up something right there. Right? Something like this can make a person upset to know that someone try steal something from out of your motor vehicle or someone's motor vehicle. See, it is unfair to know that you work for what you want and then someone just steal or try to steal what you work so hard for. It's unfair. I have an idea what that thing is that the person took from out of the motor vehicle viewers and subscribers. You understand? But you don't know, sometimes me rather just point out certain things and let you, my viewers and subscribers, tell me what to think sometimes. You see me? Because I'm not Mr. Know-It-All. So my people, let me know what you think about that video. I'm going to move on to another video. In the next video that I'm going to present to you, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he explained how he take a motorcycle that he said police took from him. My people, I want you to listen to this person's explanation and tell me if you believe or if you do not believe him. And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yo, show me the dog bad bad.
Me say officer, give me my bike, yeah boy now. Or if you get bike and your bike no license, you have the paper them but you never license. Me say now, is it about is me there? And you up the Jana station. You can't live up the Colong and Russia now. Me mash up your yeah boy now. A police attack is up. Me say move your to pray for police. You only come back boy. Me say give me my bike brother. He boy said if you can't take it, it's alright. I said no. A tree keep me off it now. You take one. It's alright. You see about 3 weeks, me just go over there and do something. Get that key night and do this up on the boat. Me and he start. Yeah.
See machine man. Nah, turn over station.
They're real 90s bad man.
Squash go over there and say, yo, TikTok.
Give me my.
Well, my people, he said those things, you know. I never said those things. Me only go by the things that he said, my people. And if the things that he said are accurate and true as to how he said certain things happened, then my people, me see trouble. You see it? But I wish the best for him still. You see me, I say, my people. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force was shot and killed at a wake last night. Now, today is October 16, the year 2022, and it is said that the police officer was shot and killed Saturday night. That is said to be last night. All right. Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that the incident happened at a place that some people call Frog City. That is in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that the police officer was among other persons who was at the wake when gunmen went to the area and shots was fired. It is said that the police officer and other persons had been injured. Now, when it comes on to how many persons had been shot, viewers and subscribers, the information is somewhat sketchy because I got more than one information as to how many persons had been shot. You understand? However, it is said that the police officer was taken to hospital and that he succumbed to his injury or injuries. It is said that the police officer had been identified as Brian Martin. Alright, so with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. I do not know when the video will be recorded. The video shows some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. At least one part of the video shows when one person threw an object at the other person. And at some point, police arrived at the scene. You see, now if you look at the video carefully, you might get an understanding as to where in Jamaica the video will be recorded, because the video also shows a sign. You understand, if you're the subscribers? You look at the video shows a sign. You see me? Yeah, and but I like to tell what I think about the situation shown in this video. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. My people, we should try our best to see if we can live in peace, love and unity. We know that people have their differences and you know, sometimes the people might argue with each other, but I don't want to see the situation or any situation reach to a point where people are going to attack each other and all them things. No, I don't want to see that. See it? So a peace, love and unity, I say, my people. See it? Yeah, so this video is being talked about on social media because of the confrontation. So you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Big up to all of the peace officers them in Jamaica, as well some people might say. Yeah, big up to all of the peace officers them. Me I talk about good police officers. You see me I say? Alright, so yeah, so me I left it. Big up and respect to each and every one. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.